going on, YouTube? It's your boy M2K, man. We back with another video. I started off the vlog a little late. It's already 5 o'clock, but shit, it is what it is. So today, man, I'm finna go get my boy Yazan. We finna go ahead. We gotta get some grub first, so we finna head to touchdown, and then after that, I'm gonna link with my boy back ends. It's 2 meets tonight. The first meet, I don't know if it's gonna be deep, but that second meet gonna be at the BP, and that bit gonna be swanging, you hear me? So stay locked in, stay tuned in, whatever, man. I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe. We're on the road to 500 subs. Now I'm gonna be the next up. You either with me or you ain't with me, it don't matter. I'm next up, so I'm gonna catch y'all boys when we get there. All right, man, so I just put up my boy Yazan. He's gonna whip right now.
What's up, man?
So we about to go ahead and head to touchdown. Get a little grub real quick before we head to these meets tonight. So I'm gonna catch y'all boys when we get to the touchdown. Alright, gang, cause members, man, we just got to the touchdown wings. Finna go ahead and put y'all boys on what y'all need to order.
Hey, think I should uncuff it?
Huh?
Think I should uncuff it?
Yeah. A bit dark still. Put y'all boys on. Put y'all boys need to order in here. What's going on? I need to get a 6-piece honey mile combo.
What you guys doing?
Bag, man. I told y'all last time. When I come here, you gotta get this combo. Gotta go cold, gang. Hell nah. Peaches for burgers. Gotta go cold. Oh, y'all niggas thirsty as hell watching that. Alright. But man, I went ahead and got me a 6-piece honey mile. Feel me? Take about 10 minutes to get them eats. I'm gonna show y'all what them things looking like. What you order, food? 6-piece hot lemon pepper. I'll put them on. If y'all know, this is my son right here. Show that nigga how to do everything he does in life, feel me? So, but they playing music in here, so I'm gonna have to pick the drip for the day. Slide dog. Twin try to copy my drip. I'm gonna go ahead and they're playing music in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and catch y'all boys when we get the food, show y'all what this look like. I'm gonna link up with my boy back ends after that, and my boy Osman. We're gonna go to a gas station before, and we're gonna ride out to the meet. Alright, man, we just gotta eat. That whole smacking. Honey mile, make sure I tap in.
Oh yeah, and just hot lemon pepper spray. I'll tap in, man.
Hot lemon pepper, man. Touchdown got the best win. Y'all stop going to deli, man. I just put up with my boy Oz. Turns out my nigga Eric is here too, man.
What up, YouTube?
Y'all tap in. Shout out your gram for them folks.
Billionaire Eric.
Heavy. I was working on the whip right now, getting it ready for this ruined meat.
And the BP.
And the BP. My nigga Eric shit. I got that Lexus, feel me? Y'all, I gotta insert the clip when this nigga Eric did a burnout, one tire was spinning. I gotta insert that clip, gang.
No.
Let's see, nigga, this much.
Let's get a boat over there. Look up to the motherfucking gas station, waiting on my boys. My boys already here. Me and Oz and parked over there. I gotta get them parking in the right spot. You know I'm already vlogging. Got my nigga Fox right here. Shout out to Graham for them folks, man.
Goddamn, NLB 5-5.
Yo, tap in, can't. Just chilling. Feel me? Where that boy at? What about, man? What we got?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's going on? That boy. Where that K at, man? Where that K at, man? We gotta have y'all boys push up over there. Get some nice clickbait going on. Feel me?
Yeah.
My boy right here. Ain't seen this nigga since I'm playing. See my niggas in Spanish class on what?
What?
Senorita Jones.
Yeah.
What that nigga, the Senorita Jones class on what? So man, my nigga back end just pulled up. I'm gonna show y'all the V real quick. Twin went ahead and did the blue calipers, man. We got that nigga Fox outside, man. Fox fire. Finna have him lined up over, huh?
Them tires big as hell.
The blue calipers do go crazy.
Blue.
What is that leaking right there? Damn.
And I'm crazy.
Feel me? Got my nigga back ends right here, man.
Spinner of the year, bro. You be spinning me, bro.
Man, we finna go crazy. We finna see who really doing these cuts, man. Yeah, tell them line up. That's the perfect pick for the. Hey, tell them pull up over there. Yeah, line it up. Where? Oh, Fox still on the line. Fox 5. You ain't no light. Nigga, I'ma cut, bro. Bro, I've seen your cuts, bro. Be for real. Oz is the best cut. Oz is the best cut, but
I got the best cut.
what?
Bro,
Nigga, he's dangerous, bro.
Exactly.
He's ready to kill himself. That's the thing, bro.
I'm gonna fit through that motherfucker.
But you be damn, Twin, you damn near about to kill
That
yourself.
big ass boat. And look at that big ass boat. Not fitting in the gas, I'm fitting it. Come on now.
Twin,
Come on now.
let me break it down to
You gonna
you.
be behind me, all them stuff.
You damn near be about to kill yourself trying to cut up, bro.
Guess what? I'm still alive. Still alive. Hey, Jelly.
That boy said, Twin right here can't drive. That nigga Mercedes must be already gone. What you doing, Twin? Get ready to park. I don't want too much wind in my video. Them boys out there big trim, man. Shit, nigga. Cause I had to get that roller for him real quick. Hey man, y'all don't text and drive. Y'all don't do none of that and drive, you feel me?
Especially don't hold a camera and drive.
Don't do that shit. Oh, twin in front of us, they got that traction on.
Bro, this shit's burning like that.
Hey, y'all gotta let me know if y'all want me to be talk. when we drive and do these POVs, or just fuck it, just, you feel me? That nigga Fox car back up, man! That nigga honking fucked up! Hey man, I gotta get me one of them head things. How much that bit cost?
Bossman doing?
I don't. Come on. I hope my nigga does not get pulled. He need to hurry up, Tron. What the fuck? Get the camera behind us. Is he fine?
Yes.
Nigga followed us all the way to the meet, bro. Weird. Hey, get the camera. The cop then followed us all the way to the meet, bro. Cop then followed us all the way to the meet. Y'all heard what them niggas saying out the door. Look, y'all see the cop over there, bro. This nigga still follow. Why is he still following us, bro?
Nigga, I don't think that's a real cop.
Like, what's up with him, bro? Huh? Bro, this nigga weird, bro. Why he following? Bro, got behind. Twin, I would have my windows down. I said, damn. Somebody's like, damn, these niggas about to cop to the meet.
What happened?
Bro, I know, I was just recording. I was letting everybody go. Bro, they said these niggas brought the cops to the meet. That's funny, bro. Y'all the top 5, man. This undercover cop ass nigga, man, coming down ruining shit, man. Fuck that nigga. That shit just blew me. He gotta put his hat back on. That nigga still coming around, bro. That can't be the car.
That's why that nigga went in front of his ass like that.
No, but it's illegal to have this shit. You can't have that shit.
That nigga following and shit. We got them boys lined up at the back. Why this nigga's weird, bro. Bro, hey, I had my windows down, we was pulling up. Bro, nigga was like, damn, these niggas brought the cops to the meet. Why that nigga following, bro? He horny.
What's he out behind?
What?
This one nigga be leaving, bro.
What?
12 be coming in and following the nigga.
That shit on.
I see how we come back to back. Trump with it. You gotta get that front windshield, my boy. You gotta get that front windshield tinted, my boy.
Oh, yeah.
That nigga did speed in front of me. That nigga did shit. So I don't know.
Is that 12, bro?
Where? That nigga weird, bro. Yeah, no, that one car did go in front of that nigga.
I seen the truck house. This nigga get pulled over.
Nigga, I thought he was finna get us.
I don't know. He seen all y'all niggas. He wanted to do one of y'all.
He wanted to vote. That nigga wanted to pull me over. Waiting on me to
That's what I'm saying. No. Bro, when it's 12 behind, like to the side.
Got your ass.
No, when it's 12, bro, y'all gotta be ass on ass, like bumper to bumper. We gotta be bumper to bumper.
I didn't even see that. Nah, that car that was, brother, that car that was right next to you, I couldn't even notice. I didn't even notice until I pulled up on him. I got in front of you.
I didn't. Twin, I was going like 65. I seen that nigga.
I had to roll my windows down, all type of shit. I was standing right here. I was supposed to
And then your zone was like 12. I said,
why was he not? I was looking at that. You seen him trying to sit like, he was like sitting behind your tab.
I barely seen that nigga, bro. When 12 come, bro, you gotta be bumper to bumper, bro.
He was trying to get behind. He finally got behind.
I seen that shit. I'm like, damn, he probably trying to get one of them.
He probably checked my tag from the side, like, this nigga straight. Let me check this nigga shit.
At the lake.
Oh, God.
I was looking back. No, y'all should have seen. Hey, bro, gang.
Oh, God.
That boy crazy. Nah, Says was. This nigga's in 2 lanes, bro. Like, get your ass over.
Nah, they got I need to see CTSV out this bitch.
We about to walk in a minute. Whenever y'all ready to walk.
I'm on whatever y'all on.
Hey, the BP, that bitch gonna be swanging. Right after this, we heading right after this. Nigga, that bitch gonna be swanging.
They gonna be spinning?
I don't know, cause that the gas at the BP, so it's some ghetto shit. That shit be swanging though. Chat.
It's the same kitty from the last one.
I'm gonna give me an intake too.
This, bro, the red is just so crispy, boy.
Bro, that's scary.
That shit not bad. Like that color hard as fuck. He's all right here. So yeah, right now we're supposed to take a meet. My nigga finna do a pull real quick. Ready? You two switch pull to the second meet, man. They ain't finna pull though. I'm about to call him Tron, boy.
Where y'all going? I gotta spin the block.
Bro, this shit crazy, boy. They meet too deep. For me, niggas go track right here.
Seguimos aquí con el fugitivo para echar un corredazo que no me quiero meter con ustedes. Toda la gente que está aquí mirando, nos pueden buscar aquí en Facebook, Spotify, Instagram como Grupo No Imperio. Seguimos con eso, el fugitivo viejo.
Second half of this meet, man. On the other side over here. See what they be taking on. This the chill side, this side I like. All that crazy stuff over there, man. We ain't really
Way more dark over there.
Scat, get that scat. Little scat right here. We're about to hit me with the BB. But they ain't got no light over here. Everything.
Yeah, it's dark as hell over there.
That kind of dark, man. There ain't gonna be too much recording on this side. Whoop whoop. Hey, it looks like we about to be on the way. 2 minutes away from this one.
Head to the BP then. This shit, they finna be on bullshit.
Nah, they said this one finna, damn, that shit hard, the lights. But he said this shit finna end soon.
Hey, man, say, man, is it like too dark? Say, you know you can turn the flash on?
You have the blue, so it's all over your
Put
face.
the flash on?
I mean, you don't need it on God, you don't need it. Look, God, you don't need it.
Oh.
It's just when you go, when the cop was in here, yeah, that shit was dark.
Oh, hell nah, them niggas out here just got arrows. I mean, them niggas over there shooting lasers. Look at them lasers. Them niggas trip, they got beans. They got beams on their shit.
I know I was.
Them niggas had beams on their shit. Don't make me go to the car, man. That's all I'm had to say, man. But I'm gonna catch y'all boys when we head to the BP. Oh, them niggas sliding. With the leg maker exhaust. That leg maker. I'm trying to take that Chally,
Really, that leg maker intake,
I take them Challys.
Them Chally.
Oh, got it. Red eye. Swing go red eye, my boy. Need that front windshield tint on wood.